Wow! This slime is so fun. It's soft, stretchy, and super squishy. Well, it's getting longer and longer. Hey, that's too much. Oh, it's stuck on my hands. Why won't it come off? Ah, no, it's on my face too. I can't see. Ew. Get off, silly slime. This feels so weird. Oh no. Now it's on the floor and spreading everywhere. Wow. I almost slipped. This slime is so slippery. Hey, my foot is stuck. Come on, let's go. It's stretching like a rubber. This is crazy. Oh no. Now it's on my shirt. It's too. Stop, slime. Stop. Why are you everywhere? Just stop. Hey, look at this. It's stretching between my hands. Oops, I threw it too high. Ah, it's fallen. Come back on me. Oh no, I am stuck inside slime now. Pop, I got out. That was messy.